Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a video slider on your Wix.com website. So start from the Wix dashboard here, and you want to click on this button here to design your site. Once you click on that, it'll take you to here, the Wix website editor. Now from here, you just have to go on the left-hand side here to add elements, and then on videos and musics, you want to go to single video players and you want to scroll down. And you can see there's a couple of strips we can have here. So there's a normal strip here, which is a screen wide slider that you can use. When you first add it, it'll install a app called Wix Video to help with your setup. But it's a matter of tracking it in. So if I click on this manage videos, you can add in your videos that you want to put in from here, right? It'll open up a UI such as this, and then you can upload your video here, or you can embed the video from YouTube. I'm going to embed some videos from YouTube here real quick. Give me a second. Here, I just added in some video. I'm going to click on add video. And as you can see, now there is a video right here. Now I'm just gonna go to click out, and now the video I just added will be loaded in here as long as it refreshes in a second. There you go. Once it refreshed, the video will show right here. Now let's try all the other sliders. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to go to add elements. I'm going to go to videos and music. And this time, let's do the small slider. Same thing. It'll install an app called Xvideo that could help you with your setup. Now, this is the small slider. It's the same process. You just have to go to manage videos and make sure your videos are in here. There you go. I'm going to add another video as well. I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to find another music here, for example. All right, share. I'm going to click on copy. I'm going to paste the URL here. I'm going to add to library. After that, I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to settings. If it doesn't appear, you have to go to settings, manage, and then choose video. And then just click on this all videos. And now you have a video slider like this. Last one, let's do the pic slider this time. Let's go to add elements, videos and musics, Wix video, and then it'll be the pic slider. Drag and drop, just like this. Give it a second to install. If you already have the video, just have to go to settings and then choose videos, all videos. And now your video will be added just like this.